Good Friday morning, Mid-Michigan. We have three things that have been issued by our local National Weather Service offices in Gaylord, Grand Rapids, and Detroit. What you see highlighted in the purple here is a winter weather advisory for the Thumb and I-69 corridor. The pink is going to be a winter storm warning, and further north of the bay, you're looking at a blizzard warning. These will all start later today and then carry into tomorrow. So let's get a bit of a closer look at the winter storm warning and the advisory. The advisory again is for the Thumb and I-69 corridor. This will go until tomorrow evening. We're looking at 4 to 6 inches of snow. Could see some wind gusts, 45+ miles per hour. And then when we move into the Tri-Cities, take it back towards the 127 corridor. Yeah, this warning, that winter storm warning, also going to go until 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. You're looking at a little bit more snow, 6 to 10+ inches of snow here, and slightly higher wind gusts. You could see 50+ mile per hour gusts. Both of these going to make for rough travel, and we're looking at the possibility of power outages. Now again, we have to talk about that blizzard warning too, because there are special requirements to have blizzard conditions. This is when you get visibility that's frequently going below a quarter mile. You have wind speeds that are either steady or frequent wind gusts of 35+ miles per hour, and you have to have those conditions continue for 3 hours or more. And that is what we're looking at, unfortunately, or fortunately if you like that snow, for those that are north of the bay. We have a strengthening low pressure system that's moving up towards Chicago as we head into the end of the day today. Brings us that snow crossing across the lower peninsula towards Lake Huron. As we head into the overnight, we'll continue to see snow stay in the forecast for us, and even on the back side of it, brisk westerly winds are going to bring in much colder air for tomorrow, and we'll see lake effect kick in for not just Saturday but also into the second half of the weekend. So here's a closer look. We get into your afternoon hours, and this is when we start to see that heavier snow move in. So might see some flurries ahead of that, but the bulk of the snow holds off until we get into the afternoon and overtakes us right on into the evening. If you can leave work a little early today, not a bad idea. If you don't have to be on the roads this evening, just stay at home. We are looking at snowfall rates approaching 1 inch or 2 per hour. That'll be heavy snow, temperatures in the low mid 30s. So we're going to see that snow start to stack up, especially further north. Now towards the midnight hour, Thumb and I-69 corridor, you could see some rain mix in, may get a little break. That's what helps to cut back on those totals. While further north and inland, you continue to see snow all the way into the late night, and then we see snow into early tomorrow morning before it starts to become more scattered, transitioning to lake effect as our winds on the backside of the system shift to the west. We're looking at temperatures to start off your Saturday near 30 degrees. However, you've got those wind gusts up 45 miles per hour plus. That's going to make it feel a lot colder, and it brings in that colder air at a good pace. We're into the teens and low 20s for your Saturday afternoon with scattered lake effect snow. Wind chills by then near 10 degrees, if not in the single digits, and we stay cold with lake effect snow right on into Sunday. So here's your snowfall forecast through 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. 4 to 6 inches for the Thumb and I-69 corridor, slightly higher amount, 6 to 10 inches for the Tri-Cities, southern side of 127, and we're going to bump up those totals even more for those that are further north and inland. Here's that timeline for you. Drier this morning with some flurries. We get that bulk of the snow to move in during the afternoon. Wind is going to pick up as well. You'll notice as we head into the evening, it'll become very windy. Saturday, another alert day tomorrow. We are looking at snow, wind, and cold conditions. Now here's a big sum up for you. Snowfall rates again, 1 to 2 inches per hour at times as we get into this evening and head into early tomorrow morning. We could see those wind gusts top 45 miles per hour at times with falling temperatures on Saturday. This system is making for expected poor road conditions. Travel is not advised this evening into early tomorrow morning, and we do have that potential, unfortunately, for power outages. So we'll keep you updated here as we head through the day tomorrow. Again, temperatures fall low 20s for the afternoon, even some teens with wind chills closer to those single digits as we finish out the day. Wind chills near 0 on Sunday, possibly below 0 Monday as we stay cold into the coming week.